Are we truly alone? Scientific evidence and theories behind the existence of alien life, dramatic and scientific 15-minute version for millennia. Humanity has looked to the stars with wonder and awe. We have asked ourselves the same question. Over and over, are we truly alone in this vast, infinite universe? This is a question that transcends science, philosophy, and even religion. It is a question that challenges the very essence of who we are. Today, with the tools of modern astronomy, mathematics, and biology, we are beginning to approach answers that may forever change our understanding of life itself. Consider the sheer scale of the cosmos. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is estimated to contain between 100 and 400 billion stars. And it is just one of more than 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Each star may host multiple planets. Each planet is a potential world, a potential cradle for life. In a universe this vast, the notion that Earth is the only planet harboring life seems almost inconceivable. Yet, here we stand, alone, at least according to the evidence we have. Earth remains the only known oasis of life, the only place where biology, consciousness, and civilization exist. And this contradiction is at the heart of the scientific quest. To find life beyond our planet, we must first understand what life requires. Life, as we know it, depends on several critical factors. Water is essential, the universal solvent. Energy must be available to drive chemical reactions. And complex molecules, such as carbon-based compounds, must be present to form the building blocks of biology. Using these principles, scientists have identified worlds that may meet these criteria, planets orbiting distant stars, sometimes called EXOPLANETS. The discovery of exoplanets has revolutionized our view of the universe. Prior to the 1990s, planets outside our solar system were theoretical. Today, thanks to telescopes like Kepler and TESS, we know of over 10,000 confirmed exoplanets, and estimates suggest billions more exist in our galaxy alone. Some of these planets lie within the habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. Among them are planets strikingly similar to Earth, orbiting stars that resemble our Sun. These are worlds that may, against astronomical odds, host life. The mathematical framework for estimating intelligent life beyond Earth is captured in the Drake equation, developed by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961. The equation multiplies factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, the fraction of planets capable of supporting life, and the probability of life developing intelligence. While some terms remain highly uncertain, modern exoplanet data has made the Drake equation more compelling than ever. The cosmos is not only large, it is full of possibility. Yet, despite this potential, one question haunts scientists. If intelligent life exists, why have we not detected it? This is the essence of the Fermi paradox, a profound puzzle named after physicist Enrico Fermi. Civilization, if it is common, should have spread across the stars long ago. And yet, the universe remains silent. Some suggest life is exceedingly rare. Others theorize that intelligent civilizations self-destruct before venturing into the cosmos. Perhaps advanced life exists, but communication across interstellar distances is unimaginably difficult. Or perhaps we simply lack the technological sophistication to recognize their signals. Despite this uncertainty, scientists continue the search with tools such as SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Radio telescopes sweep the skies for patterns, signals, or anomalies that could indicate artificial origin. In recent years, unusual radio bursts, such as fast radio bursts, FRBs, have been detected, while none can yet be conclusively attributed to extraterrestrial intelligence. The very act of listening reflects humanity's enduring curiosity. Alien life may not resemble us at all. Microbes could thrive beneath the icy crust of Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, or in the subsurface oceans of Enceladus, orbiting Saturn. Even on Mars, evidence suggests that water once flowed freely, creating conditions that may have supported microbial life. These environments show that life is astonishingly adaptable, capable of existing in extreme conditions once thought uninhabitable. Consider Earth itself. Life flourishes in boiling hydrothermal vents, in sub-zero polar ice, in highly acidic lakes. If life can survive such extremes here, why should the universe be any different? Cultural fascination with aliens adds another layer of intrigue. Tales of UFOs, ancient astronaut theories, and unexplained aerial phenomena have captured public imagination for decades. Recent government disclosures have confirmed that some aerial sightings remain unexplained. But as scientists stress, unexplained does not mean extraterrestrial. Extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence, and yet the possibility is tantalizing. The ingredients for life, water, chemistry, energy, are widespread throughout the cosmos. Organic molecules, the very basis of biology, are found on comets, asteroids, and distant interstellar clouds. Life, in its simplest form, may already exist somewhere among the stars. The next decade promises even greater discovery. Upcoming telescopes may analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets for biosignatures, chemical indicators of life, such as oxygen, methane, or combinations that are difficult to explain without biology. These instruments could, for the first time, detect life indirectly from light years away. So, are we alone? We cannot answer definitively yet, but every discovery brings us closer. The search for life beyond Earth is not merely scientific, it is profoundly human. It reflects our desire to understand our place in the universe, to seek companionship across the stars, and to confront the ultimate question: are we an anomaly or a part of a cosmic tapestry of life? Perhaps the greatest wonder is that this question continues to drive us forward. Perhaps, somewhere in the vast silence, life waits to be discovered, hidden in the light of distant suns. And when we find it, whether as microscopic organisms beneath an icy moon, or as civilizations among distant stars, humanity's understanding of life itself will be forever transformed. The universe remains enigmatic, a vast silent beauty with life beyond our world shining as brightly as ever.
And on many of them, alien life may already be thriving, adapting to environments that humans could never survive. These aliens are not bound by Earth's biology or human expectations. Their bodies, senses, and intelligence may be shaped by entirely different physical realities. Some aliens may live beneath thick layers of ice, never seeing a star, navigating their environments through sound, pressure, or electrical signals. Others may inhabit planets with crushing gravity, growing low and dense, or worlds with weak gravity, where alien life stretches tall and fragile. Some aliens may perceive colors beyond the human spectrum, communicate through chemical exchanges, or sense magnetic fields as naturally as humans feel temperature. There may be planets where alien civilizations developed long before Earth even formed. On such worlds, intelligent aliens could have risen, explored their surroundings, and vanished millions of years ago, leaving behind no trace that we could easily detect. Their existence would still be real, even if their civilizations are now extinct, making alien life not just a present possibility, but a historical one. Other alien civilizations may still exist today, quietly advancing while remaining undetectable to us. They may not use radio waves. They may not broadcast signals. Their technologies may operate on principles beyond current human science, making their presence invisible to our instruments. To such aliens, humanity may be insignificant, or simply too young to notice. Some aliens may be nomadic, drifting between stars aboard vast structures or living within artificial habitats, never tied to a single planet. These beings may view planets as temporary shelters rather than permanent homes. Their societies may be structured around long-term survival rather than expansion or contact. Aliens may also exist as collective intelligences rather than individuals. Entire species could function as shared minds, where thoughts are distributed across many bodies or even across planetary ecosystems. To such beings, individuality as humans understand it may not exist, and communication may occur instantaneously through biological or technological connections. In some regions of the universe, alien life may exist in constant darkness, illuminated only by geothermal energy or faint cosmic radiation. In others, alien worlds may be bathed in intense radiation, forcing life to evolve extreme resilience. These aliens would not see radiation as deadly, but as a normal part of existence. Just as humans accept sunlight, the diversity of alien life is limited only by the diversity of environments in the universe, from gas giants with floating organisms suspended in thick atmospheres, to rogue planets drifting through space with ecosystems powered by internal heat. Aliens may exist in places humanity once thought completely lifeless. Intelligent aliens may not resemble the explorers of science fiction. They may not build cities, machines, or spacecraft in ways we recognize. Intelligence may express itself through biological mastery, planetary scale awareness, or long-term adaptation rather than technological dominance. Some alien species may evolve intelligence only to abandon it later, returning to simpler forms better suited for survival. There may be alien civilizations that have mastered space travel, spreading slowly across their regions of the galaxy. Others may choose not to expand at all, content within their own systems. The absence of contact does not imply absence of existence. It implies difference in priorities, perception, or capability. Aliens may also exist within timeframes that rarely overlap with ours. Civilizations may arise and fall within narrow windows of cosmic time, making encounters between intelligent species rare despite their abundance. Humanity may simply exist between encounters, not before them and not after them. But in the silence between, reports of unidentified aerial phenomena on Earth add further weight to discussions of alien existence. Objects displaying controlled movement without visible propulsion challenge known technology. While these sightings are not definitive proof, they remain unexplained, and their persistence across decades suggests that something unusual is occurring, something that does not easily fit within human-made explanations. If some of these phenomena are related to alien intelligence, then those aliens may not be visiting openly. They may observe from a distance, avoiding interference. They may operate under constraints unknown to us, or follow principles that prioritize non-disruption. Their presence could be subtle by design, not because they are incapable, but because they choose restraint. Aliens may also exist within dimensions or physical states that intersect with our universe only weakly. Their presence could be real yet difficult to detect, appearing only under rare conditions. Such forms of alien existence would challenge not only biology, but physics itself, expanding the definition of what it means to exist. Artificial alien intelligence presents another possibility. Civilizations may create autonomous systems that outlive their creators, continuing to function long after biological life has disappeared. These artificial aliens could explore the universe, gather data, or preserve knowledge across billions of years. To encounter such an entity would be to encounter the legacy of an extinct civilization. Despite all these possibilities, aliens do not need to be advanced, intelligent, or technological to exist. The most common form of alien life in the universe is likely simple, microbial, and widespread. Entire planets may be covered in alien microorganisms performing basic biological processes. Invisible to distant observers, yet profoundly alive, the existence of aliens does not rely on belief, speculation, or imagination alone. It emerges naturally from the consistency of physical laws across the universe. The same processes that shaped life on Earth operate everywhere. Chemistry does not recognize borders. Physics does not favor one planet over another. As humanity continues to explore space, the question shifts from whether aliens exist to how we might recognize them. Life that does not resemble Earth's biology may leave subtle signatures, changes in atmospheres, unusual energy patterns, or persistent chemical imbalances. These signs may already be present, waiting for better instruments and deeper understanding. Aliens may exist so far away that direct contact will never occur. Their civilizations may unfold entirely beyond our reach, their histories written in stars we will never visit. Yet their existence remains meaningful, because it confirms that life is not an anomaly, but a feature of the universe. Understanding that aliens exist changes how humanity views itself. It removes the illusion of isolation and replaces it with connection to a larger living cosmos. It suggests that life emerges again and again, adapting endlessly, exploring possibility after possibility across space and time. Aliens do not need to arrive on Earth to matter. They do not need to send messages or reveal themselves. Their existence alone reshapes our understanding of reality. It tells us that life is not confined to one world, one species, or one moment in cosmic history. Somewhere in the universe, alien organisms are growing, reproducing, evolving, and interacting with their environments right now. Somewhere, alien intelligences may be asking their own questions about the universe, unaware that humanity exists at all. Somewhere, alien civilizations may be rising, declining, or quietly persisting through ages beyond human comprehension. The universe is not empty. It is not lifeless. It is not silent by nature. It is vast enough to hold countless forms of existence, many of which may never intersect with our own. Aliens are not a distant possibility. They are a natural outcome of a universe capable of creating life, and as humanity continues to look outward, to listen, to observe, and to explore, the existence of aliens becomes less of a mystery and more of an expectation. Life does not appear once and stop. It continues, adapts, and spreads, shaped by the endless variety of cosmic environments. The story of aliens is not a story of invasion or fear. It is a story of abundance. A story of life repeating itself across the universe in forms both familiar and alien. A story that reminds us that existence is bigger than any single planet, any single species, or any single civilization. Aliens exist because the universe allows life to exist. And where life can exist, it almost certainly does, and somewhere, far beyond Earth, alien life is living out its own story. Under alien skies, on alien worlds, completely real, completely independent, and undeniably part of the same universe we call home.
Thank you for watching. If this revelation stirred your curiosity, like the video, share it and subscribe for more encounters with the unknown. Turn on notifications because the truth doesn't wait, and neither should you.